Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another You and Yours. This is a reading for from now till the end of June. Aquarius, You and Yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. Of course, this could be a love interest, but could also be anyone else. Could be a parent, neighbor, boss. So let's see who's going to come out for you today. And let's see who's affecting your energy. Let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the message they need to hear the most. Thank you. Okay, Aquarius, let's begin. Aquarius, these are general energy readings, so each and every one of them will not resonate with every Aquarius out there. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. And Aquarius, this is from now till the end of June, but time is fluid, so don't get fixated on the dates. This is something you're going through or are going to go through or will go through in the immediate future. So I have two sets of cards here. One is for you, one is for your person. Even though I'll be reading one side as you, feel free to flip the energy in case you feel you're on the other side, okay? Three of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. So let's begin here. So the first card I have is the Devil, Two of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Hanged Man, and the Ten of Wands. The other side I have the Two of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Fool, Two of Wands, the Emperor, and the Chariot. Oh, the Emperor's back was in your last reading as well. Who is this person? Mutual energy, I have the Four of Cups, Page of Swords, and the Queen of Swords in reverse. So Aquarius, let's begin here. A lot of juggling happening. Yeah. So there was some forward movement which was stalled, Aquarius, and there was a lot of going back and forth, and somebody was trying to interfere, somebody was trying to stall things, somebody was trying to come between maybe, something that you and somebody else wanted. Yeah, it was not allowing you to move forward. There was some kind of devilish energy which is around you, or which is going to be around you, which is kind of impeding your progress. See, this is again a card of moving ahead from troubled waters, but it's upside down, and so is the King of Wands upside down. And here you are juggling, going back and forth in your mind to know what to do, how to go about it. You're totally stressed out at the moment, okay? Totally stressed out. I don't know which side you're on, Aquarius, whether you're this. I think this side is you, okay? This side is you. So you are kind of confused right now. You're not being able to make up your mind. You're totally stressed out. But Aquarius, this is like a self-imposed prison that you're in. You've got all these swords around you, but you can take that blindfold off. But right now you really can't see, or the stress is getting to you about whatever is happening with this King of Wands, who's normally King of Wands is a go-getter. He is somebody who's like fun and moves fast. But here he's somebody who's kind of person who promises more than he delivers, and that's really kind of stressing you out. Though I do see you, Aquarius, here as the Queen of Pentacles, okay? The Queen of Pentacles is usually a queen who really looks after herself, who's well provided for, she's kind, she's nurturing, and right now things seem to have stalled a bit for you. Things really have stalled for you. There is a Page of Pentacles here, which is like a very slow movement, and also a lot of conflict. So what's this conflict, Spirit, and this Page of Pentacles? Lots of cards came out. Yeah, you kind of get, you kind of are feeling left out in the cold here. Something which you wanted, that you thought would move forward, it really didn't move forward. The offer that was made to you was really, really small. And, maybe somebody from your past came back and created this rift. Maybe told you something, some secrets were revealed to you which led to this major conflict, maybe within you or with somebody else. And that's really kind of stressed you out. It's put you like, in a hanged man situation where, again, say you have the same card again for you, Aquarius, going back and forth in your mind. Or you got news about somebody, about, maybe weighing their options or juggling or something, because this card has come out twice, not once for you on this side. Somebody who's not willing to put in the work, okay? This has really put you into a hangman situation where you're feeling kind of stuck here. You're feeling very, very burdened. You're feeling totally overwhelmed and not knowing how to take this forward right now. Yes, here's the devil again. Okay, you're trying very hard to get rid of this devilish situation that you're in. Okay, I think it's a situation which is keeping you, really stressed out, and this probably, is something to do with your household or a long-term commitment kind of a situation. So let's take one more card for the Ten of Wands, Spirit. Why is Aquarius? Yeah. You kind of, giving up on this now. It seems like you are totally kind of thinking it's time for me to give up this fight and move forward maybe. Really, just leave all this behind, whatever is happening. It's really not making sense to me, and let me just put an end to this situation, whatever you're going through here. Let's see the other side, whoever this side is for you. Two of Swords in reverse. Now this person seems to have made a very clear-cut decision. What's this Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Okay. Yeah, they are not budging. They are really not budging. They are whatever decision they've made, they are kind of holding strong with that, and they have probably communicated that also very clearly to you about that. And maybe the decision is not to take a leap of faith forward, and not to take a, forward movement in whatever is happening here. Spirit, okay, Spirit wants to say something. They are burdened too, okay? They are extremely burdened too about whatever has happened, and they feel, it was a waste of time, whatever investment I have put, and it's been like, I really haven't achieved much, and just not being able to see the path forward, even this person. This person was feeling pretty powerless. Why is the Emperor in reverse here, Spirit? Why is the Emperor here in reverse? Oops. Okay. Yeah, something to do. Yeah, this Emperor is the person who I think keeps coming in your readings, Aquarius. Was there last time as well. They kind of put a damper on this union from happening. I think the last reading I did for you, I called it Who's Meddling, right? And that time the same Emperor came in twice. And I think this situation is still going on. Who's kind of putting a damper on your reunion and letting you come together. But I do see, Aquarius, the Chariot here. Chariot is a card for forward movement. So let me first take a card for the Emperor. Who's this Emperor, Spirit? Aquarius. Who's this Emperor? Yeah, okay. Whoever this was, gave you guys a hard time. Really hard time. I think this was the person who kind of really created a lot of havoc in your situation. But I think the person B here, Aquarius, whether this is you or your person, is kind of letting all that go, is not letting this Emperor affect their life anymore, and is getting rid of whatever pain that they've caused in this, and maybe taking a leap of faith now and trying to move forward. So let me clarify that. Spirit, Chariot for Aquarius's person. What's the Chariot for Aquarius's person? Okay. This person is holding on to, I think, you for dear life or whatever they want, and they are not letting go of anything that they want. So they have decided that yes, this is what I want to do, and I am not letting anyone take the power over me, and I am planning to move ahead in whatever I want to do. But still, let's take a card for okay. They have the Knight of Cups in reverse. Knight of Cups in reverse, Spirit, with the Chariot. They're trying to make some very clear-cut decisions in their life about whether they should invest ahead, offer their love, move forward either by themselves or by or with you. They want to be happy. They want wish fulfillment. Very strange. Spirit, what is this Nine of Cups? They're not they're not sharing their emotions right now. They're really not sharing their emotions, Aquarius, right now. They are keeping things hidden. It's, they are, whatever they're planning, I think this person B here is planning things for themselves, I think, at the moment. They're looking for ways and means to move forward, maybe. And here comes the Lover. They've made some kind of a choice. This is very, very confusing, Aquarius. I'm sorry, this is really got me now. Oh, let me see the mutual energy. Let's make it a little more clear. Four of Cups upright. That is, both of you are in the state where you are depressed. Both of you are sad, and you are not accepting any offers coming from each other or anyone else. So why is there a Four of Cups, Spirit? Yeah, because I don't think you both are interested in a new beginning. No wonder I was getting confused here. Because you seem to have, kind of given up. This person seems to have gotten over their pain, and they are making some decisions for themselves. They are holding back as well. And then your mutual energy, I see both of you sitting depressed, not accepting any offer from each other, and not, trying to have a rebirth or start again. Let me take one card for Judgment. Spirit, Judgment again, please. One card for Judgment and the Four of Cups. Nobody's really wanting to move ahead without clear communication. Both want it, both want the passion, but both are kind of being really defensive and hurtful maybe to each other, right? I think there's been a little bit of fight, even though both want this passion, but both are kind of holding back. Both are not being able to see how to move forward, and both kind of also keeping an eye on each other. I have the Page of Swords, center of the deck, okay? This is a card of someone spying on the other. But here it is in the center, which means both of you are kind of keeping a watch on each other. Yeah, because you both are, whatever you people are pretending, you're not only confusing each other, you had me confused for a bit as well. You're not wanting this tower to fall, right? You both are kind of, in your ego right now. You're in your element. You're not sharing with each other. You're both pretending to move ahead, but both are kind of still keeping an eye on each other, not wanting this tower to fall and maybe end the situation, because I think the passion is still very strong. Passion is very, very strong. Yeah, both wanting equal give and take. Both wanting it still. Okay, you're both still wanting an equal give and take. You're both keeping an eye on each other. Both don't want the situation to end, but both, I think, pretending that I don't want to move forward with you and I'm not going to. Okay, yeah. Whatever situation has happened, Aquarius, it's like, both of you are feeling the lack of this love. Okay, both of you are feeling unloved at the moment. Both of you are in your corners. both wanting to rush forward as well, with some conversation with each other. Now I have the Queen of Swords in reverse here, and I have the Queen of Swords here as well. Now the Queen of Swords in reverse can be somebody very bitter, okay? So what has led, and here's the trickster. So there is a Queen of Swords who is very bitter at the moment. Here's a magician who's also very bitter at the moment. He's also known to be the mean trickster in tarot. So both of you are embodying very opposite characteristics of what should be when two people actually care and love each other. Yet both want it. Yeah, both actually want happiness with each other. Okay, so after all this is going to happen, I think a small love offer is going to come, either from Aquarius from you to your partner, or from your partner to you. I see now a love offer being offered, which is going to make both of you really, really, really happy. Maybe an apology. Yeah, both have been, in thinking hermit mode for too long. And I think it's time to clear all this energy, and maybe one of you will find the courage to come towards the other person and clear this misunderstanding. So let's see how Aquarius, your partner is feeling towards you. How is Aquarius's partner feeling towards feeling hurt? Aquarius, your partner is really hurt. Let's take another couple of cards. How is Aquarius's partner? Okay. How is Aquarius's partner feeling towards Aquarius? The phone is ringing, Aquarius. Just a second. Yeah. So the Aquarius, your partner is feeling really, really hurt. Okay. They have all these big swords in their heart, and they kind of feel maybe this is over. Okay, they're kind of thinking that it's time to close this chapter, but even then they're kind of in their feels right now. They're really trying to dig deep within, use their intuition to know whether this is the right right thing that I'm doing. Let me take one more. Yeah, see, again, they're feeling very confused here. The moon, the high priestess, they're still a bit confused. They're trying very hard to use their intuition and figure out what is it that I can't see. I have a nagging feeling that all is not as it seems. Some things are being hidden from me. But whatever is being hidden from this partner of yours is making them go through a lot of suffering and pain. And they're almost on the verge of, completing this chapter with you. So Aquarius, how do you feel towards your partner? Okay. How does Aquarius feel? They really want to come out. Huh? Oops. Okay. One more, Aquarius. Spirit, one more card for Aquarius. How Aquarius feels for their partner. Aquarius, right now you are very troubled. Okay, you're very, very troubled. You are not sleeping at night. You're sitting up all night worrying and bothered and upset, and you feel that, oh my God, all love is lost from my life. You're trying very hard to be courageous. You're trying very hard to, maybe show the world that you're unaffected, unaffected, but you're not, okay? You're trying very hard to put up a face, a very brave front for the world maybe, because you feel that, this King of Cups is in reverse and he doesn't love me anymore, and you are not happy with that at all. Both of you are going through heartbreak. I don't know for what. So let's see what is the outcome here. Spirit, what is the outcome for Aquarius and their partner? What's the outcome for Aquarius and their partner? Don't worry, Aquarius. I think very soon, once that little. Okay, alright. One more, Spirit. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Can I have one more? Just to, kind of tie it up together. Okay, so Aquarius, very soon, don't worry, very, very soon, you're going to have some very swift energy coming in towards you. Probably your partner bringing in this little cup of love and an apology. This is going to lead to all that stress and worry that you were feeling, where you were not being able to sleep. All that is going to be removed. Okay, you'll feel so much better once this person comes rushing into your life and maybe requests you or begs you for rebirth in the situation. You may not trust them immediately, right? You are going to play a little hard to get, I feel. Queen of Cups is in reverse, and so is the Star in reverse. So you are going to not give in that easy, I feel. But you will, yes, definitely, this chance is coming for you where apologies will come, and it will lead to some kind of transformation in this dynamic. And I see you, Aquarius, having the Three of Pentacles here. This is people working together in harmony, okay? And it's going to make you feel very happy, and it's going to put you back in the Queen of Pentacles stage, okay? This is the happiest queen, who's the wifey, and here comes the Cup of Love upright this time, right? And again, after that I have the Nine of Cups, which is wish fulfillment. So whatever's happening, don't take it to heart, Aquarius. No point, losing your beauty sleep over whatever's happened, because when things get okay, you'll laugh at yourself and say, hey, why did I waste so many nights of not sleeping, right? Just ride it out. Just ride it out. Give it some time. I know things are tough right now. I can see that. So many cards. Let me put them back. Angels, can you give us a nice message for my lovely Aquarius? One more, please. Just what I was saying. It's almost like, Spirit is right here. I mean, of course, they are. All this, my angel spirit guides are all right here. And every word I spoke is in these two cards. Aquarius, believe, okay? And stress management. What did I say? Don't let yourself get stressed out. Don't have sleepless nights. It's not worth it, because things are going to be fine. All you have to do is manifest it and believe. Things are going to turn out for the best. Whatever your best is, Aquarius. Okay? You have free will. Most important person for you in your life is you. Do whatever makes you happy for you first, okay? If you're not happy, you can't make anyone else happy. Whether it's this person, whether it's your parents, whether it's your child, anyone. So first and foremost, you have to take care of your own self. So go ahead, eat well, sleep well, and let life work itself out. Okay? So chill, don't worry, and please do subscribe. Leave me a comment, and if you like this reading, please give me a thumbs up as well, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Love and light, Aquarius. Take care.